What's up YouTube, it's your boy Belante and I'm back with another trade recap video. This week I went 1-1. I took both of my trades this week on US 30, so let's go over them. So the first trade I took on Tuesday, I came to the markets at 9:30 and this is the first thing I saw. I saw on the 5-minute chart that we had a major break of structure right here. So I went on the 1 hour. And I saw that we were bearish for the day. I looked on the 15-minute. I saw that we were bearish, and I saw that we have also a break of structure on the 15-minute as well. So I looked for and I saw that we had a supply zone. And I like my supply zones to have a gap. As you can see, there's a gap from right here to right here. So I drew that my supply zone, and the only thing I didn't like about this zone was the 200 EMA. I don't like when the 200 EMA is cutting through the middle because it means that we're in a consolidation for that day. So for me to feel more confident about this trade, I wanted, when we broke for our entry, I wanted us to be below the VWAP because I like trading away from the VWAP. So as soon as we got this candle printed, I entered the trade. As soon as this candle printed, I entered the trade, and I saw that how we went below the VWAP, so I was feeling confident about this trade. I did get in a little late. I got in probably like right here. My stop loss is the highest wick that touches the zone, which is right here, and I usually just go for 1 to 1.2 because I like to be in and out of the markets because I'm a scalper. So that was really it for Tuesday. And let's go for Thursday. Okay, so for Thursday, this is what I saw. I had two zones set up. I had this zone and this zone. So let's talk about this zone right here. So let's go on the 1 hour. I went on the 1 hour. I saw that we're bearish on the 1 hour, but that really didn't matter to me because I take most of my setups on the 5-minute. I just like to see the trend of the 1 hour. But if my 5-minute setup is aligned with the VWAP, or if we're going away from the VWAP, I would still take the setup. So I looked on the 1 hour, we're bearish. I looked on the 15-minute. We're kind of bullish on the 15-minute a little bit. So on the 5-minute, I saw that we had a gap right here as well. Let me see if I can find this. Where is it at? Okay. I saw that we had a gap from right here, this red candle to this white candle right there. There's a gap or an imbalance, whatever you like to call it, that has to be filled. So I saw, and we also have a minor break of structure. I would have liked structure to break right here. I mean, it kind of did, but not really at the same time. But it broke this structure, this minor break of structure. And this would have been like a major break of structure for me. But this is a minor, so I still took the trade. And this ended up being a fake out. So I got in as soon as it broke that candle. So I got in right there. Right here, my stop loss is the highest wick that touches the zone. So right here, below this wick. And again, I go for 1 to 1.2. And I got stopped out. And this zone that I had originally marked up before was the one that ended up winning. But I only placed one trade a day, so I stayed disciplined to my rules. I saw it like live. I was like, damn, bro, I really felt bad. But what can you do? You still gotta be disciplined no matter what. Even though this did win, this was a beautiful setup as well. Yeah, this setup also has a major breaker structure though. So this is why this setup probably won. Because first it has a major breaker structure, while this setup right here has a minor breaker structure. The minor breaker structures setups still do win, but I don't know, I like taking the major breaker structure, but you know, trading is 50-50, so I still decided to take this minor breaker structure setup, and I lost, and this one with the major breaker structure won. So what can you do? All you can do is just learn from your mistakes. So this was a quick recap of the trades I took this week, and I finished the month profitable of February. So thank God for that. So I will be back with y'all next week, Friday, for another trade recap video. Alright, hope you have a good day.